morning, class.
Good morning, Mr.
Okay. Wait. Okay, boys and girls, for today we are going to discuss a topic. Okay, polygon. Polygon. Okay, for last Friday I have asked you to prepare for this topic. Have you read over this chapter?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I try to ask someone to tell me what you have read over for the last weekend. Okay, close all your textbook. Okay, first of all, you know what I'm now going to do. Okay, try to draw some diagram. What you have read from 1.4. Okay? 33? Yeah. Okay, very good. This kind of the polygon I call convex polygon. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We call it is a convex hexagon. I use the number to present that it is 6-sided. The polygon is 6-sided. Okay, and I want another boys or girl to come up to draw another type of the polygon. Okay, another type. 17? 17, okay. You draw the diagrams only? Yes. you draw here, okay. I want you to draw another type of the polygon. Okay, thank you. How many sides? 5 sides. It is we call. Do you know the name of this polygon? Forget it. Okay, it is a pentagon. It's a pentagon. I want you to draw another type of the polygon, another property. Okay. For these two types are the same. We call them convex. Okay, convex. I want you to draw another type. Do you know another type? I don't know whether you know or not. Another one? 35? What's 35? Yeah. You try. And anyone you like? Okay. Okay, thank you. Do you find that for such kind of the polygon, it's different from these two? Okay, we call this one concave polygon. Concave. And at the same time, how many sides for this polygon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you still remember how to call this kind of the polygon? Yeah, 5 sides. Pentagon. How to spell pentagon? P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N. Okay, we read it together. Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Okay. Do you find that for this one we call convex polygon. This type we call concave polygon. Do you find that in them? What is the difference between them? Okay, I give you 1 minute to discuss with your neighbor. Okay, can you tell me the difference between these two kinds of the polygon? Can you tell me the difference between them? Okay. Anybody try to tell me the difference between them? Anybody? Anybody try? Okay. 26. Who is 26? Yes. You can come out to draw anything you like to tell me your result. Yes. What is the difference between the convex polygon and concave polygon? Yes. Come out you. Yes. What does it mean? Yes, okay. Your neighbor, you should help him because you discuss together. Can you come out? What? Yes, yes. What does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean?
More than 180 degrees.
More than 180 degrees.
Yes.
Okay, that means this angle is more than 180 degrees. How about this polygon? Can we find any angles more than 180 degrees? No. Okay, can you get the meaning of your thank you. Your classmate say?
Yeah.
Okay, what are the difference between convex polygon and concave polygon? We look at the concave polygon. At least one or more of the interior angle is greater than 180 degrees. We call concave polygon. Understand? But in this chapter, we don't discuss the concave polygon. We just only discuss the convex polygon. Okay? Another thing you have learned in Form 1. You have learned in Form 1. These two words. Sorry. It is, you have learned in Form 1. It is the equilateral polygon and also equiangular polygon. What are they? What does it mean by equiangular polygon and what does it mean by equilateral polygon? Okay, first of all, do you still remember equiangular polygon? What does it mean by equiangular polygon? Okay, I give you some time to wait. What does it mean by equilateral polygon? Equiangular polygon? Do you still remember it? Yes, what does it mean for the first type? I give you some hint. All the sides are equal. Okay? All the sides of the polygons are equal. How about equiangular polygon? All the sides of the angles equal. Get it? Okay, I want you to try to help me to try to draw two types of the polygon. They are 4-sided and 5-sided polygon. That is equilateral, but it is not equiangular. And it is equiangular and it is not equilateral. Okay, you try, take out your classwork exercise book, you try to draw. And then I will ask you to come out, help me to draw the 4-sided polygon. It is equilateral, but it is not equiangular. And other 4-sided polygon, it is equiangular, but it is not equilateral. Okay, you try to draw on your classwork exercise book first. Okay, please be quick, please be quick. Okay, can you get the meaning of the questions? Can you get it? Yes, good. You try to draw. The four-sided polygon, it is equilateral and it is not equiangular. And other four-sided polygon, it is equiangular and it is not equilateral. And also for the five-sided polygon. That means you have to draw four different diagrams. 4 different diagrams. Okay, I'll give you 1 more minute, and then would somebody come out to try to draw your answers on the board. Four different types of the diagram. The four-sided and also the five-sided. Okay, have you finished? Okay, try to look at the board. I want you to draw a four-sided polygon. It is equilateral, but it is not equiangular. Understand? It is not. And also, another four-sided polygon. It is equiangular, but it is not equilateral. Got the point? Okay. Will someone come out and to draw? Okay, for this type, we try to come out to draw. Number 6. Number 6. Yes. And then another one, this part, 20. Where's 20? Yes, be careful of the wire. Okay, 32. 32. Hey, I want you to draw this one. 32. And then for equiangular, 19. Where's 19? Yeah, you. Okay, we look at the four-sided polygon. Okay, we call quadrilateral. I can use some mark to present that it is equilateral. These four sides are equal. Okay, get it? Do you find that this angle is greater than 180 degrees? No, not 180 degrees. is greater than 90 degrees. It is less than 90 degrees. So it's good. Okay, how about this one? This boy use the mark to show that they are right angles. Can you find that the length between these two sides are different? Can I get the part? Okay, look at the 5-sided polygon. We call the pentagon. What are the difference between them? Can you find out the difference? I am not satisfied with these two answers. I want another two to try to show that they are different. Okay, to show some difference between them. I want this pentagon equilateral, but it is not equiangular. I want you to draw this 5-sided polygon. It is equiangular, but it is not equilateral. Okay, you try it again. Another 2. Number 10. Try. Yeah, come on. Number 7. Yeah. Okay, okay, you draw at the side. Yes. You draw here. Yeah, thank you. Can you find the difference between them? A little bit. Okay, I try to draw another one for you. Okay, equiangular. Also the same, but these two sides I draw it very short. Can I get it? And then I tell you all the sides of these 5 angles are equal. Can I get it? Okay, how about this one? I try to draw it. Okay, these 2 angles are 90 degrees. Okay, can I get it? Do you find that the shape of these 2 5-sided polygons are different? Can I get it? Okay, I ask you another question. Can you draw a 4-sided polygon? It is equilateral and it is equiangular. Okay? It is equilateral and it is equiangular. Can you? Okay, I want you to draw in this column. Can you help me to draw a 4-sided polygon? It is equilateral and it is equiangular. A 5-sided polygon is equiangular and also it is equilateral. Okay. Another 2 boys and girls to come out. 42? No, 42. Sorry, your cards have no. 25? 25? The first one? Yeah. 35? 25 and 35. Okay, 25 you draw on this box. Okay, thank you. The 2 boys showed to me that when you draw this 4-sided polygon, the size of these 4 angles are equal, and the length of these 4 sides are equal. Okay, for this 5-sided polygon, we call a pentagon. These 5 sides are equal. These 5 angles are equal. I get it? Okay, how do we call such type of the polygon? when it is equilateral and it is equiangular. You have learned this word before in Form 1. Do you still remember? How do we call this such kind of the polygon? Yes. Anybody still remember? Do you remember? Put up your hand, let me know. Still remember? Only one. You have learned in Form 1. Okay. Yes. How do we call such type of the polygon?
Regular polygon.
Regular polygon. Okay, do you still remember the spelling? Try. Or your monitor, try. Okay, thank you. Do you still remember this word? Okay, we read it together. Regular polygon. Regular polygon. Once again. Regular polygon. Okay, what does mean by a regular polygon? That means the polygon is both equilateral and equiangular. We call it a regular polygon. Okay? Do you still remember it? Yeah, okay. Who is on duty today? Come out and help me to clean the box. We come to we try to discuss another properties of the polygon. Now we come to discuss the sum of interior angles. The sum of interior angles of a polygon. Okay, sum of interior angles of a polygon. Okay, sum of interior angles of polygon. Last week, we have discussed the sum of interior angles of a triangle. For the triangle, it is a three-sided polygon. Do you still remember the sum of interior angles of a triangle? Is equal to 180 degrees. Do you still remember the abbreviation? The abbreviation to describe such properties? Angle sum of triangle. Okay, angle sum of triangle. Okay. How about, for example, we have a four-sided polygon. Okay, we have a four-sided polygon. We call quadrilateral. Okay, for quadrilateral. What is the sum? What is the sum of interior angles of it? Okay, take out your classwork exercise book. Help me to find out the sum of interior angles of a four-sided polygon. I give you some hints, and you help me to work out the sum. First of all, I draw a diagonal AC inside the four-sided polygon. Okay? I call this angle A2, this angle A1. It's B. It is C2, it's C1, and it is angle D. Okay, help me to find out. I'll give you such hints. Help me to find out, to work out the sum of angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. It is the interior angle. Okay. Have you find out the sum of angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D? That means what is the sum of interior angles of a four-sided polygon? I'll give you some hints. Help me to work out the sum of this polygon. For last week, you have learned the sum of interior angles of a triangle. Okay? Can somebody help me to fill in the blanks? Anybody like? Number 13, you try to fill in for the first line. Number 13? Where's number 13? Yeah. Okay, and then number 21, the second line. Okay, and then we come to the conclusion. How to present the conclusion? Okay, first of all, you say A2 plus B plus C2 is equal to 180 degrees. You're using the properties, angles sum of triangle. Okay, also the second one. How about we come to the conclusion? How to work out angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D? Okay, don't just only write down the answers. Show it to us. How to find out the answer? 17. Have you worked out the answer? Yes, okay, try to show it to us. Okay, thank you, yes. Okay, can you work out the sum? It is equal to 360 degrees. Yes, okay. How you got such answers? Why do you write down 180 degrees plus 180 degrees? Okay, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. Do you find that it is equal to A1 plus A2 for the angle B plus B? Angle C is equal to C1 plus C2. Can you get it? And then plus D. Can you get it? And do you find that A1 plus C1 plus D is equal to 180 degrees? A2 plus B and then plus C2 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, we stop here. For our four-sided polygon, we find that we can cut the four-sided polygon into two triangles. Cut it into two triangles. So we got that the sum of interior angle is equal to the sum of the angles of two triangles. Can you get it? Okay, take out your textbook. We try to find out how to find the sum of interior angles of a pentagon, a five-sided polygon. Turn to page 31. Page 31. Okay, you try to work out the class practice number 1. You can discuss with your classmate how to find out the pentagon. Okay, number 1 is the given figure shows a pentagon A, B, C, D, E, and then turn to page 32. It asks you to do something. Okay? Try to follow the question and work out the sum of interior angles of a pentagon. Help me to clean the box. Yes. Number 1. Is it done by you? No. Okay. You cleaned it. You have to do it by yourself. Is it done by you? It is not done by you? Yeah, yes. Okay, I say you try to finish number 1 first. We don't do number 2. You try to finish number 1 to find out the sum of interior angles of a pentagon. Okay. Okay, because it is time's up. So we have a quick look on number 1. Okay, first of all, we have a pentagon. It is A, B, C, D, E. Is it? Okay, and then turn to page 32. What does it say for question A? If 2 diagonals are drawn from vertex A to the non-adjacent vertex C and D, how many triangles are formed? It asks you to draw from vertex A to vertex C and D. How many triangles are formed? 3. Okay. Number B. What is the sum of angles in each triangle? 180 degrees. Okay. For the first triangle, the sum of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees, 180 degrees, 180 degrees. Okay. Number C. What is the total sum of the angles in all the triangles formed? What is the total sum of the angles of these 3 triangles? 180 degrees, 180 degrees, 180 degrees. Altogether it is 540 degrees. Okay, we come to D. It is the conclusion. What is therefore the sum of interior angles of this pentagon? It becomes 540 degrees. Okay, I stop here. You go home. Try to work out, find out the relationship, okay, between the size, the number of sides of a pentagon and the sum of interior angle of that pentagon. Okay, mark down the homework for maths. You go home. Try to finish page 32. Number 2 on your textbook. Okay, you work out in your textbook. Got it? Okay, class dismissed.
Stand up.
Goodbye, class. Goodbye.